So combination windows are windows that are, this is the term, mold together. Like you'll see a awning casement. An awning casement is the kind of window that cranks out from the bottom. It goes to the outside and has a screen on the inside. And the reason why it's called an awning casement is when you crank it open, it acts like an awning. You can actually open it when it's raining and it won't let the rain in, and you still can get the air, the fresh air, without the moisture. But you'll often see an awning casement with a picture window attached or mold above it, and that's a combination window. And you'll see lots of windows like that. Or a triple casement. A triple casement, typically it's 3 windows. You know, if you have a 90-inch opening, I'm making this up, and it's 50 inches tall, 90 inches wide, you'll have 3 windows, 30-inch, 30-inch, 30-inch by 50 by 50 by 50, side by side by side, and the 2 side windows can crank out and the middle window does not open. And again, you can vary all this, but that's a combination window. Or you'll see where, like in my own home, I have that system, but above it, I have little transom windows. So I have a small picture window above each one of the casement windows. And again, it's built as one complete unit all together. So that's a combination window. And so you can do combination windows where it's like in my own home, I have a 6-window system, 3 transoms, and then 3 casements underneath it. Or you can do, you know, a one awning casement with a picture window above it, and mix or match or anything like that. That's what a combination unit is. I will tell you, you're limited by your home, because if your home has only single windows, this is a single double hung, and then there's a wall, and here's a single double hung again. We can't make a combination unit there because it's only, you know, wide enough for 1 window or something like that. And you know, again, if it's a tall window, you can do the awning casement thing where you're putting the awning casement on the bottom and a picture window on top. But the size does limit what you're able to do.